Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. I'm Cale. So this video is intended for those of you who have purchased one of my solid hardwood laser engraved zero clearance inserts for the Kapex KS120EB saw. I don't know if this will fit the newest saw or not, but I wouldn't swear by it. So when you buy one of these from me, it comes with all new screws because I don't really like the screws that come in the Kapex. I don't really know what that is, but I will tell you that if you have Torx T15, that'll get enough bite to get the screws out. The tool probably comes with a wrench with it, but I've had this for years and I didn't keep up with any of that, so that's probably my fault. At any rate, I include 7 screws with the kit because if you're like me, you're liable to drop one and I don't want you digging through a trash can, so I give you a bonus screw in here. So what you get is the zero clearance insert, laser engraved with whatever you want on it, plus the 7 screws. And installation is actually pretty simple. You want to remove the 6 screws that come in the plastic factory inserts. Take those out. I wouldn't throw them away. Hold on to them. You never know if you're going to need them or not. And then your new insert just drops in. And 6 screws, 2.5 millimeter Allen for the screws that I include with it. Snug them up. They don't need to be gorilla tight, just snug. And then power on your saw, bring it down nice and slow, cut your slot, and Bob's your uncle. You're good to go. So again, this is for the Kapex KS120EB. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know down below. And there's a link to these if you're interested, if you're looking for something like that. And that's it for me, friends. Till next time, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.